What are the best uses for energy cups? Energy cups are very unique cups. You can place them over the area that you have pain or knots or tightness and simply press down on the top of the dome. Or you can flip these cups inside out, place the dome on top of the area that you'd like to be treated, and then press down on the edges or the sides of the cup and flip it back outside in, and then the cup will stick on the body. These cups are probably one of my favorite cups for treating the bottom of the feet. People have a lot of tightness and muscle knots on the bottom of the feet and a lot of pain, so placing these cups on the bottom of the feet, I like to use the inside out method on the bottom of the feet because the cup tends to spread and cover a larger bandwidth or a larger area of that foot. And the lift and the stretch that you get from these tiny cups is amazing. It feels so good and reduces pain almost immediately. In the feet or anywhere else that there is not a lot of bulk, over the ankles, tops, bottoms of the feet, the hand, the top, the bottom of the hand, over the elbow, over the knee, or any area that is contoured and rounded or kind of bony, these cups are wonderful.